Reggae artist Beres Hammond has joined forces with dancehall star Wickerman on an upcoming track dubbed Midday Again. Beres Hammond first shared a snippet of the video online saying that, quote, "As I promised, another offering for you. It's been such a rough time in the world. I haven't seen you in so long. Consider this offering as a promise," end quote.
Don't watch the face, cause me there again. Laugh to see me old time friend them now.
Midday Again was produced and recorded at Harmony House Studio and shows the artists coming together for a good time. The track has been getting rave reviews from dancehall and reggae lovers since being released. Now, American singer Mariah Carey's hit single All I Want for Christmas Is You continues to break records. The holiday classic has secured the #1 spot on the Billboard chart for the third consecutive holiday season. The song was originally released back in 1994 and is featured on Carey's Christmas album. All I Want for Christmas Is You made its debut at #1 back in 1999 and is the first song in the Hot 100 63-year history to lead in 3 distinct chart runs. Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You, Make My Wish Come True edition, released back in 2019, has over 247 million views on streaming platform YouTube. I am Deidran reporting for ePrime.